Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8, video number 48, squares and square roots, section B, tough. Let's start. State true or false. First one, the square root of certain decimals are obtained by first changing the decimals into fractions with perfect squares as the numerators and denominators. See here, it said certain decimals, not all. Right. So certain decimals means those which can be converted to perfect square. Only those. If those cannot be converted to perfect square, then you'll have to find it by using the division method. Okay. So 0.64. Let's take for this is an example I've taken. Let's take example 0.64. So square root of 0.64 equals to 64 upon 100. Right. What are we doing? Obtained by first changing the decimals into fractions with perfect squares as numerators and denominators. Yes, so that is true. This answer is true. Next, 26.1 the whole square lies between 400 and 900. This is quite easy. Find one number before, find one number after. So 26.1 square we want. So 26, one number before is 25 square, 625. And one number after 27 square, 729. So 26.1 square will lie between 6.25, 625 and 729, right? Now if it lies between 625 and 729, it will definitely lie between 4 and 490. So this is also true. Next, state true or false. First, square of any odd number can be expressed as a sum of two consecutive positive number integers. Okay. Square of any odd number. Okay. Means let's take any odd number. For example, to watch the videos further, kindly download Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.